A bingo sign-up bonus can mean free virtual chips, bonus entries, promotional credits, or a deposit match. So the headline number alone does not tell you what the offer is actually worth. I can't rank real money bingo apps by the size of their gambling bonuses, but you can compare promotional offers safely by checking 5 specific details: the bonus type, eligibility, wagering requirements, expiration rules, and withdrawal restrictions. Start with the bonus type. Some apps advertise a large number of virtual coins or chips that cannot be withdrawn as cash. Others may offer promotional credits that have separate conditions. Treat each reward according to the exact terms attached to it. Next, check whether a deposit is required. A sign-up bonus is not necessarily free if you must deposit money before receiving it. Look for the exact wording explaining whether registration alone qualifies. The third thing to check is the playthrough or wagering requirement. If a promotion requires you to use a bonus a certain number of times before withdrawal, that condition can matter more than the advertised bonus amount. Expiration rules are also important. Promotional credits can have deadlines, and missing that deadline can cause the reward to disappear. Finally, check withdrawal restrictions. Some bonuses cannot be withdrawn directly, while others may require you to complete specific conditions first. Read the current terms before accepting an offer. For a 2026 comparison, create a simple 5-column checklist: bonus type, deposit requirement, wagering requirement, expiration, and withdrawal restrictions. You can then compare offers without assuming that the biggest advertised number is automatically the best deal. Also verify eligibility in your location. Real money gaming promotions can have geographic, age, and account restrictions, and promotional terms can change. If you are looking for free entertainment rather than a gambling promotion, choose a free-to-play bingo app that uses virtual currency and does not require a deposit. The key point is simple. A large sign-up bonus does not necessarily mean a large cash reward. The conditions determine what the promotion actually provides. Before accepting any promotional offer, read the current terms, confirm the deposit requirement, and check exactly what you can and cannot withdraw. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app guides.